Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin D3 drops for your baby. First, it's important to understand that vitamin D is essential for strong bones and a healthy immune system in infants. Before starting, always consult your pediatrician to determine the precise dosage, which is often 400 international units daily. Carefully read the product label to ensure you are using the correct concentration and understand any specific instructions. Now, let's go over how to administer the drops. Begin by gently shaking the vitamin D3 bottle to ensure the solution is well mixed. Use the dropper provided with the product to measure the exact dosage, which is usually just 1 drop. You can place this single drop directly onto your baby's nipple just before a feeding, or onto a clean pacifier for them to suck on. There are a couple of other ways to give the drops. You can place the single drop directly into your baby's mouth, aiming for the inside of their cheek to prevent spitting it out. For breastfed infants, applying the drop to your nipple right before a feeding works wonderfully. Consistency is key, so try to give the drops at roughly the same time every day to establish a helpful routine. Finally, let's talk about storage and safety. Always store the vitamin D3 drops in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain their potency. It is crucial to keep the bottle safely out of reach of all children to prevent any accidental ingestion. Remember to discard any opened bottles after the period recommended by the manufacturer, typically around 3 months, to ensure effectiveness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.